everyone, this is Dr. Ishita Seth from Apollo Dental. How are you guys doing? We are a dental office located in South Charlotte in Ballantyne Corners, and we are in network with most of the insurance. But if you do not have the insurance, you do not have to worry, as we got it taken care of. For our uninsured patient, we have our in-house membership plan, which covers twice a year checkup and the regular cleaning and the required radiographs. And on the top of that, if you need any procedure, those procedures you will get at discounted price. And there is no waiting period for that, and there is no activation time for that plan. For more information, feel free to give us a call. Our number is 704-230-0502. or go to our website, apollodentalnc.com. Thank you. Bye-bye and take care.